Imagine this. A husband proudly says, I saved $500 this month. His wife smiles and replies, That's great. I saved us $1,200 without you even noticing. So, who actually saves more money? Let's find out. This debate has been going on for years. Many husbands believe they're the better savers because they invest, negotiate salaries, and think about retirement. Many wives believe they're the real financial heroes because they save money every single day without making a big deal about it. And honestly, both sides have a point. Let's look at a normal shopping trip. The husband walks into a store. He sees a $300 gadget. It's 30% off. He buys it immediately. At home, he proudly says, Look, I saved $90. His wife looks at him. You still spent $210. Now the wife goes grocery shopping. She compares prices, uses coupons, chooses store brands, avoids unnecessary items, comes back home after saving $40 on groceries. No celebration, no Instagram post, just quiet savings. But here's where husbands often shine. Many are more likely to think about long-term investing. Retirement accounts, index funds, emergency savings, growing wealth over decades. Saving money is important, but making your money grow is equally important. The smartest couples don't compete. They combine their strengths. One watches daily expenses, the other focuses on long-term investments. One protects today's budget, the other builds tomorrow's wealth. That's a winning team. So, who saves more, the husband or the wife? The real answer is the couple that works together. Because financial success isn't about winning against each other, it's about winning together. Question for viewers, who do you think saves more in your family, husband or wife? Let us know in the comments. If you enjoyed this fun money discussion, subscribe to Wealth Avenue for simple, practical money tips every week.